Our partners love us, and why wouldn't they? We built our entire business to serve them. When you look at white label developers, right? When you look at all the companies that are out there offering their services white label, you're going to find that we're very unique. We stand out from the crowd for a very good reason. We did not enter this industry with the mindset of developers. We're not people that came up with a solution and then said, hey, let's just offer it, and just sort of open the doors and let people buy it like a Soviet soup kitchen. That's not how we operated. When we wanted to get in this industry, we looked at the entire food chain, the entire chain from lead to salesperson, presentation, sale, support, upsells, everything, the entire whole cosmos, everything that existed, and we built that out. We did it because we have a background understanding the white label industry from years in the past. Before we even opened Rocket Driver, we understood what was going on here, that you had companies that were offering services for resale, but doing absolutely nothing when it came to tutorials, training materials, nothing for leads, nothing for helping them recruit salespeople, nothing for giving them websites, and nothing for, pitches and demonstration materials, brochures. Absolutely no CRMs, no integrations, nothing. They just literally had a raw service. Education was on you, and you better understand what you're buying. They're not going to tell you. That is literally how most reseller programs work. Or nowadays, there's another type that are basically like affiliate marketing programs where you sign up to a company. They keep their brand, they keep their support, they keep everything. You get to sell. Yeah, you get paid. But if you stop paying the dues to the company, they just take all your clients. Where's the fun in that? You're going to go and you're going to have a situation where you build your whole agency up and then the company can just swoop in and grab your clients. We don't do that at all. The way the Rocket Driver Partner Program works is very, very, very simple. Think of it like this. You come to us. We have our development house, right? You come over to us, you sign up on our website, you get access to a portal, you get access to all the services, you get access to training. We set you up with your site. You just buy the domain. We don't want to own it. We're not trying to lock you in and trap you into anything. You go ahead and sell for whatever you sell for. We don't ask and we don't care. We are the white label developer that does the service. Our motto here is you sell, we do all the work. That's what we're really focused on, is helping people, having entrepreneurs understand that their job in this process, not that we're dictating you have a job, but your role in this process is to sell, right? You're only going to make money when you're selling. You're only going to sell when you have all the tools and resources that you need behind you. We want our people building their agencies. We want our people focused on making sales. We want you focused on supporting your clients. We want you focused on learning new services. Our job is to roll out new services, train you on those services, educate you, support you, do all the things that we can do to facilitate your growth and success. And we think, and we've been right about this for about 10 years now, we think if we do that, you're going to stick with us. And that is why our partners love us. And many, many, many people not only work with us and are in our program, but even when they have situations where they decide to do something else, because that happens in life, they don't badmouth us. They don't go on the internet and trash our name. They say, hey, those guys were great. They did a great job. They helped me out. They supported me. I decided that reselling and doing this wasn't something I wanted to do. But you know what? It's very infrequent because many people are very successful with us. Many people are making sales, making money, and turning this into either a successful, lucrative side business or their full-time job. We have people who come to us who are doing completely different things, like selling real estate or working in whole other industries, who, because of the way we've built and structured our program by making it very easy and turnkey for them, they're able to sign up with us, get themselves set up in a matter of days, and get themselves up with another product they can offer and sell to their clients. That's the kind of company that we are. If you want to learn more about us, I highly suggest you go and check us out at www.rocketdriver.com. You're going to get to sign up, learn about us, watch a webinar, get some ideas about how we are, what being in our program is like, and I know that you're going to be pleased with it. Anyhow, check our channel out here, subscribe to the channel, leave some comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next vid.